everyone, I am Garima and on behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all to the most innovative and idea sharing platform ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives. We are going to discuss about so many innovative ideas that we can incorporate in our classrooms to make the learning fun, interesting and a comfortable journey for the child. The idea that I am going to today talk about is word see. It can be incorporated with the chapter 1 of UP board subject English grade 2 and the name of the chapter is Let's Speak. So, what is innovative about the idea word see? Word see idea provides a platform to the students to express the understanding of a concept in their own language, which leads to enhancement of vocabulary. The duration of this idea implementation is 20 minutes. The educator will use innovative idea word see to revise the concepts such as naming words, describing words and pronouns. The educator needs to arrange some material for the idea implementation, that is a waste box, a picture of glass having water, a colored chart paper to wrap the box, blank slips and tape and safety scissors. The educator will enter the classroom with a waste box to initiate the discussion on the idea word see. Now the educator will show the picture of the glass having water and will ask students, what can you see in the picture? To which the students may reply, it's a glass with water. Now the educator will ask, where have you seen much water than this? To which the students may reply, we have seen in home, we have seen in pond, we have seen in lakes, we have seen in sea. The educator will now inform that the word sea is a place where we find a huge amount of water. What do you mean by word sea? To which the students may reply, word sea is a place where we can find many words, the collection of words together, etc. The educator will wrap the box with the help of some students and make it the box of word see. Now, the educator will place the box on the table and ask students, what is this? To which the students will reply, this is word see. Now, the educator will put the box a little far away and ask the students, what is this? To which the students may reply, that is word see. Now, inform the students that this is used to show near objects and that is used to show the objects that are far from us. Now, the educator will put some paper on the box and ask students, what does it look like? To which the students may reply, it's big, it's fat, and the educator then will remove the papers to make it small and then ask the same question, how does it look like now? The students may reply, it is now small and thin. Now, through this activity, we have revised describing words with students. Now, educator will distribute the blank slips among students and will write the maximum possible words on the board. Words like bin, coat, almirah, etc. Anything from the chapter. The educator will ask students to choose words from the board, any one word from the board, and write it in the slip given to them. The student may write, for example, coat. So then they have to use a describing word or they can describe the coat, for example, red coat, black coat, long coat, short coat, etc. Encourage them to use different words than their peers and friends. The students will fold the slips and place it in the word see box. Now, one by one, after all the students have folded their slips and put it in the box, one by one students will come in the front and pick up a chit. Now the students will read the word. For example, if the word written on the chit is bin, so now they have to make a sentence. For example, I have a bin in my class. Now, through this activity, and we have to make sure that all the students are paying attention and all the students have got their chance to come in the front and speak their sentences. Appreciate the students who are appreciate the students for their efforts and assist students if someone requires help. Now, conclude the activity by appreciating all the students for their efforts and by laying emphasis on the new words that have come up during the activity. Through this innovation idea implementation, we can achieve learning outcomes such as responding to comprehension questions related to stories and poems in own language, expressing verbally our opinion using simple objectives related to size and shape, and we can also impart life skills such as critical thinking, effective communication and interpersonal skills. Value that can be touched upon is acceptance, that is having an objective attitude toward other ideas and practices that differ from your own. To know more about such activities that you can incorporate in your classrooms and in your lessons, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel ZIIEI and also like our Facebook page. Thank you.